What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones with MarineMax Texas Mastercraft here in Fort Worth, Texas. Excited to show you guys a new boat today for us. This is a 2023 Premier 230 Intrigue. Before we hop inside, I want to show a couple things on the outside that I think are awesome. We do have a couple options on here on the tunes. We have the pontoon guard as well as the Vantage wrap. I think it adds, one, some durability to your tune so you're not rubbing up against docks, and then two, a little extra design, kind of make the boat a little bit different than other boats you see on the water. And then as well as you'll see, we do have the recessed lighting on the tune as well as on the outside of the boat. I think this boat's gonna look awesome on the water at night. And then back here, I want to show a couple cool options as well. So we have the underwater lights on the back of the tunes. We have the ricochet ladder option on here, which eliminates some of the worries you have about not putting the ladder back up when you're leaving, because the hydraulic pulls it right back up. And on the back of the boat, we do have the 300R Mercury engine on the back. This thing is going to push this boat super well. So once we climb up in here, we do have some awesome options inside this 230 Intrigue. We do have the removable center cushion here, add some extra space to the front, a little extra seating. You'll see the lighting that we have everywhere. We have the recess inside the cushions. We have the lights inside the cup holders. Makes this boat very, very navigable at night and not have to worry about tripping over anything. So up here at the captain's helm, I think this is a very impressive layout for a pontoon. We're gonna start off here at the steering wheel. As you see, you kind of have the built-in buttons here, radio on the right side, your SIMRAD buttons on the left side. You have the built-in phone holder here with a wireless charger on there. And then down low, we have our squash pads for all our different lights, Bimini tops, cool cup holder. So back here in the transom of the boat, we do have a configurable Sunpad, which allows you to have a lot of different seating options. So first off, we can lay this down, and then you have full forward facing, or you can do the opposite, so you guys can look out the back of the boat. Also have cup holders all the way around. I think this is going to be the hot spot on the boat. So the last thing I want to highlight is the double Bimini that we have on this boat. As you can see, this video is a little dark, and that shows how much shade we have with this double Bimini. The back Bimini is power, front is manual. So you can take the front one off if you don't want it, but it just gives you the opportunity to have full coverage on the entire boat. Thank you guys for checking out this 230 Intrigue with me. I really think this is a boat you guys need to come to the dealership and check out. Or hop online, check out all of our other premier products that we have, or any other great manufacturers that we carry. Again, my name is Jake Jones. Give me a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.